Okay guys, so I'm gonna be driving the BMW F30 316i. Right now we are in comfort mode, I believe. I'm just gonna leave it in comfort because Eco Pro will turn on the auto start stop, which I don't want, and also it's just really dull driving in that mode. So I'm just gonna drive in comfort. And then I'm gonna drive in comfort, and then when we hit the highway I'm gonna change to sports mode. The rear windows are kind of small, but the side windows and all are okay, but it looks a bit darker than it actually is because of this sunshade. Okay, I'm gonna switch to sports mode. Feels a bit funny not having pedal shifters when you're in sports mode, but that's fine, I guess. So right now we are in sports mode. Flooring the car. The pull isn't that strong, I'll be very honest with you. But then again, I am probably in a higher gear. Is there a gear indicator? No, there isn't. Yeah. The pull isn't that strong. Let me try from a slower speed. Yeah, the pull isn't that strong, and there's very noticeable turbo lag. I don't know whether you guys can hear that. There's a very subtle blow-off valve sound. I hope my GoPro can pick it up. Listen to this.